Welcome back to Apex Automotive. Today, we're stepping away from the racetrack and into the world of ultimate freedom with a vehicle that redefines the very idea of a home on wheels. This is the 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600 litres, and it might just be the most intelligent and stylish campervan on the market. Pössl has a long-standing reputation for quality and innovation, but with the new Shine series, they've elevated their game to a whole new level. We're going to take a detailed look at its design, its incredibly clever interior, how it drives, and of course, what it costs. From the outside, the Summit Shine 600 litres maintains a sophisticated and deliberately understated presence. Based on the latest generation Fiat Ducato chassis, it doesn't scream motorhome. Instead, it whispers adventure. Our model is finished in a deep Lanzarote grey metallic paint, which, combined with the optional 16-inch black alloy wheels, gives it a purposeful, almost athletic stance. The 2026 model sees a subtle refinement of the Ducato's front end, with sharper, full LED headlights that give it a very modern light signature. Along the side, Pössl's attention to detail is immediately apparent. The windows are premium, flush-fitting sights frames, not the bulging plastic ones you see on lesser conversions. The graphics for the Shine designation are elegant and minimal. You have a full-length Tula awning, perfectly integrated into the roofline. Access points for the water fill, electric hookup, and the toilet cassette are all neatly arranged and feel robust. At the rear, you have the two large barn doors that open up to reveal the garage space, and a discreetly integrated reversing camera, which is essential for a vehicle of this length. At exactly 5.99 meters long, it hits the sweet spot, being large enough for comfort, but small enough to park in a regular parking bay and navigate narrow European roads. The magic truly begins when you slide open that large side door. The electric step extends smoothly to greet you, and you are immediately struck by the sense of light and space. This is the Shine concept in action. Pössl has used a combination of light-colored woods, high-gloss white surfaces, and a multi-level ambient lighting system to create an atmosphere that feels more like a modern apartment than a van. A huge panoramic sky roof above the cab floods the lounge area with natural light. The front cab chairs swivel effortlessly to create a comfortable dinette for four, using a cleverly designed table that can be extended or moved out of the way. Moving into the galley, the smart design continues. The kitchen block is compact, but brilliantly executed. You have a two-burner hob and a deep stainless steel sink, both with glass covers to extend your worktop space. There's even a fold-up worktop extension for when you're preparing larger meals. Below, the drawers are all soft closing, and the storage is generous. The 100-litre compressor fridge is cleverly positioned at the end of the galley at chest height, meaning you don't have to bend down to get the milk. But the most innovative feature is the washroom. In many van conversions, this is a compromised, cramped space. Here, Pössl has used its famous Raumbad, or space bath design. In its normal configuration, you have a toilet and a beautiful vanity with a sink. But with one easy movement, you can swing the entire wall, with the sink attached, across the aisle, creating a completely separate, spacious, and fully enclosed shower cubicle. It's a moment of pure design genius that transforms a small space into two perfectly usable, distinct areas. At the very rear of the 600 litres, you find the bedroom. The L in the model name stands for longitudinal beds. This layout features two generous single beds, which means you don't have to climb over your partner to get in or out. The comfort is exceptional, with high-quality cold foam mattresses on a sprung base. If you prefer, a center cushion can be added to create one enormous double bed. There are overhead lockers for clothing, reading lights, and USB ports. And beneath these beds lies one of the biggest selling points, a huge garage space, accessible from the rear doors, capable of swallowing bicycles, camping gear, and all your adventure equipment. Now, what's it like to drive? You sit high in the driver's seat with a commanding view of the road. The 2026 model comes standard with a 2.2-litre, 140-horsepower turbo diesel engine that is both powerful and efficient. For those wanting more performance, a 180-horsepower version is available, as is a fantastic 9-speed automatic gearbox, which we have on our test model. On the road, it's remarkably easy to pilot. It feels less like a commercial van and more like a large SUV. The ride is composed, and wind noise is well suppressed. The modern cab includes a digital instrument cluster and a large central touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so navigation and entertainment are seamless. It's a vehicle you could happily drive for hundreds of miles in a single day and arrive at your destination feeling fresh. So, we come to the final, and perhaps most important, question: the price. A premium product like this comes with a premium price tag. The 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600 litres starts in the region of €75,000. As tested, with the automatic gearbox, upgraded engine, metallic paint, and a host of other comfort packs, you are looking closer to €90,000. It's a significant investment, but you have to consider what you are getting. This isn't just a van with a bed in it, it's a masterpiece of mobile engineering. It's for the discerning traveler who values quality, clever design, and the flexibility to go anywhere, anytime, in comfort and style. It's a vehicle that feels just as at home parked by a mountain lake as it does in the city center of Paris. For the right buyer, it's not just worth the money, it's worth the freedom it provides. That's all for our detailed look at the Pössl Summit Shine 600 litres. What do you think of this blend of luxury and practicality? Is this the ultimate adventure van? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments section. If you enjoyed this review, please give the video a thumbs up, and most importantly, make sure you're subscribed to Apex Automotive so you don't miss our next deep dive. We'll see you in the next one.